Hey everybody, I've got a package here from SwapRig holsters. If you've been around the channel, if you've seen it, they are my holster of choice for concealed carry. And you may have also noticed that I got a Glock 17 Gen 6, and I changed up my spec configuration for my personal preferences, and I'm changing all of my DR920s, both of my DR920s, which are Glock clones, Glock 17 clones, to that configuration. So I needed some new skins. This is one of the benefits of the SwapRig system, is the chassis is still good, and I can just swap out the skins and keep using my existing setup. So they come wrapped in this paper. Oops. 7 things you need to know. This is a ministry little pamphlet. SwapRig is a Christian business, so there's this little pamphlet on 7 things you need to know. 1 is there is life after death. 2, we will all stand before God. 3, all sin must be judged. 4, our good is not good enough. 5, God provides a way out. 6, Jesus lives to give you life. 7, you must trust in Jesus Christ. There's a little blurb that goes along with each one of those, but if you want to read that, they also have a website that is, it's Moments with the Book, www.mwtb.org. If you want to know more, you can go there. What are these? I think these are business cards. He gave me a pile of business cards in here. Time to start thinking about a partnership or a brand deal or something like that. I could get sponsored. You can send me thousands or millions of dollars, and I can keep talking about your product that I already talk about a bunch. There's a handwritten note on my inventory that says, "Thank you for your continued business, Spencer. Keep it up. Keep up with the awesome videos." And what did I get here? 3 new swap skins. These are Glock 17 with the TLR 7 HLX. So there will be a video of me putting these on. I got 3 of them because I have the 2 DR920s and I have the Glock 17. No more parts or pieces. I'm really paranoid about checking all the wrapping now that I almost threw away that CNC piece from that other package. But they're labeled on the inside. So I didn't check and see if my other ones were labeled on the inside, which will be nice because I was thinking to myself, when I take my old configuration off, which is everything stays the same except I'm changing the lights. The TLR 8, I wonder if that's on here. That'll have to be something I have to figure out what I want to do with. I'm trying to decide. I have a Glock 21 shell for the TLR 8, so I could put that on there, or I can eBay the TLR 8s and put it into, the stuff that I look at on the channel. I get a bunch of stuff, so that has to be paid for somehow. And I've been eBaying my Warhammer nerd stuff to fund the hobby. So maybe recycling some of the optics or the lights that I don't use anymore. They work fine. May be a way to continue funding the channel, because my current sponsor is me. But yeah, look at that. You can see some of the different shape here. So we'll see how these work. Hope that helps.